Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm doing a bloom using some cool greens and gold. So I'm really excited about this piece. So let's get down on the canvas to get started. We'll jump right to it. Be right back. All right guys, so today's Blooming Wednesday. So I've got a 15 by 30, and before I throw away old canvases, I repurpose them and do my blooms on them. Kind of testing colors, see how it goes. But so we're gonna repaint over top of this, and we'll talk about the colors as I go. I've got some PPG Multi Pro left over, so we're going to deconstruct another bloom like we did last week because it came out so well. And oops, some goobers there. And I have more if I need it. All right, so my first color, I'm gonna do, I think, 3 blooms. My first color I'm gonna use is some phthalo green from Amsterdam. And then I'm gonna use a little TLP Nebula. I'm going to use some TLP and Parakeet. Got some Soho Gold. And this is Activator from TLP. And our cell activator is Payne's Gray. All right, we're gonna blow this out. I got my little baby hair dryer. I'm sorry guys, I don't have any type of creator who makes it. There's no markings on it. I got it from a thrift store. Ooh, that's a pretty bloom. Love these colors together. Really nice. Okay, so we could put the other one right here. Phthalo. I think what I'm gonna do this time is I'm gonna put some of the parakeet down. Then we'll come in with the nebula. Come in with some nice gold here. Acrylic. Payne's Gray. Loving it, loving it. Okay, let's do our last one. So I'm gonna put the Activator down like I did last, but I'm not gonna do the last. I'm gonna come back in with some parakeet. Right. What I will do is I will pour some just along the edge here because I don't want my paints to run over themselves when I tilt. So we're just going to add some more to the sides because that's where we're missing the most. Let me see if I can bring you guys up close so you can see each one. Look at that. That one there. That one there. That one there. All right. Let's do some moving. Make sure our middles don't get too stuck. What I'll do first is walk it this way. the side. Over. Come on back like this. Look. Ooh. Love the craziness of it. This cell's really opened up. The parakeet's really nice. Cool. I like where I left it. Again, was a little too much paint, so this is still a learning curve, I would say. I'm always worried I don't have enough paint so that everything won't stretch, but clearly it does have enough. But wow, the cells and the lacing through here is really, really cool. I like how it just kind of moves up. It's very, very chaotic. I like that a lot. So I'm going to scrape my sides and edges, and then I'm gonna bring you guys down for a close-up. Okay, here we are with the wet result. Start down here at the bottom. So look at that, that's really cool. The black, the Payne's Gray Cell Activator, this big thick line, will probably thin out a little bit because it is the Cell Activator, so eventually it will disintegrate. All right, we'll see this one's dry. Okay guys, that is it for the piece. So here it is, it dried so nice. I love this phthalo green, so pretty. You get to see the gold in there. I like the abstract of how this came out, really, really nice. So that will probably get some resin, maybe, I don't know, maybe some gloss varnish. I don't know, we'll see. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.